viewers, I have appeared before you with two items. One is mixed metaphor and the other is strained metaphor. So you must follow the video without skipping a single word or a line so that you may understand the two items, mixed metaphor and strained metaphor. For example, I have given an example first. To take up arms against a sea of troubles. To take up arms against a sea of troubles. And you know, and all of us know that we take up arms against our enemy, against those who revolt against us, etc. But the sea of troubles, that means infinite troubles. Here I have explained, here the sea is compared to an army. Here sea is compared to an army and also troubles in the same breath. In the same breath. That is, the sea is comparable to an army against which another army take up arms, and sea is also compared to troubles. So here there are two comparisons, two ornaments, and both the ornaments are hidden, and it is called mixed metaphor. Strained metaphor. My second example, strained metaphor. Here lay Duncan, his silver skin laced with his golden blood, from Macbeth by William Shakespeare. Note, here the similarity of blood to gold laces. Here there is a comparison between blood and gold lace. But this sort of similarity is far-fetched. So it is called strained metaphor. So let us follow both the examples. One is mixed metaphor and the other is strained metaphor. It is a greeting from an easy step to English grammar, and I hope that all of you have understood the examples and my explanation. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, to like, to comment and share. Thanking all of you. Goodbye.